Welcome back. Now, when System uses the word blog, it is basically designed to be an entire website for your home page. So it's important to note. So if you want to have this so that the blog is actually not just a blog, but a home page, you can go into the Settings tab. You can click on Settings. And what you can do is you can make it so that this blog becomes your URL. And what it becomes functionally then is a website. And so you can make it so that it is not just a blog where you write, but it is your entire site. And what we have now done is we have now made it so that our blog URL is actually now our entire home page. We can now copy this home page and we can head to our new digital store. We can go to the website tab. We can go to digital stores. We can now go to our new digital store tab. We can now add in what is called a new product. Now in this case, we're going to be using the external link. We're going to click on external link. What we're going to do is we're going to write in the verbiage to describe what it is that our homepage is. And you can click inside to paste your URL. And once you do that, you can then publish the page. And you will have added your homepage to your digital store. We can now go to the View tab. We can now visit our homepage. And we'll see our website here. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.